Have you ever wondered which TikTok products are actually worth your money and which ones are just hype? Every week, new items blow up on TikTok Shop, but not all of them live up to expectations. That's where Kalodata comes in. It helps you find the winning products that are trending right now so you don't waste time or money. Today, I'm breaking down some of the hottest TikTok products trending this week, and I'll show you how Kalodata makes product research so much easier. Whether you're a seller looking for your next bestseller or a buyer who just wants to know what's worth grabbing, you'll see exactly how powerful this tool is. Before we dive into the reviews, quick heads up, you can get 10% off Kalodata by clicking the link in the description below. If you've ever thought about tracking TikTok product trends, now's the perfect time to get started. So, let's get into it. Right now, one of the fastest growing categories on TikTok Shop is e.g., beauty, gadgets. These items aren't just trending, they're converting like crazy. Kalodata shows the sales data, growth rate, and even competitor insights, so you can see if it's worth jumping in as a seller or if it's actually worth buying as a customer. Another hot product category we're seeing is, insert example, home and kitchen must-haves. You know those viral cleaning hacks and organization tools that everyone's showing off? Kalodata reveals which ones are actually selling thousands of units per day versus the ones that just look good on camera but don't perform. The best part is, instead of just following the hype, you can see the numbers for yourself. That way, you're not just guessing, you're making informed decisions backed by real data. So whether you're here to shop smarter or to sell smarter, TikTok trends are moving fast, and Kalodata is the tool that keeps you ahead of the curve. Don't forget to grab that 10% discount through the link in the description and start using Kalodata for your own product research today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.